How to review page likes on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review page likes on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down into your file settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down until you find this one, activity log, and here just click this page likes, this one to review page likes. Click on it and here you will find you can review page likes, and it's easy of course, and that's how to review page likes on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video.